Guys, it's Marvin again. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be testing out a shampoo that was sent to me by Fanatic Asia. It's called 007 Snowstorm Car Shampoo. Very keen on trying this. We're going to try it out on a foam cannon. Directions say dilute up to 4 ounces in the foam cannon, and it will depend on your pressure washer, GPM, softness of your water, etc, etc. We're going to do our standard tests. The goal is to see its cleaning ability because I've been very impressed with the wheel cleaning foam. So I have kind of high hopes for this. Let's see how it goes. 4 hour test panel, we're going to be using our car that's freshly coated. Yep, coated with dirt. This one, we're going to foam it and then pressure wash it off, see what effect that has. And then on this side, I'm just going to pre-wet it or pre-rinse it with just regular water. Leave it to get wet and let's see if it has any difference with the side that's going to get foamed. We'll be using the PF22. I'm just going to transfer this chemical, guys, over to this bottle. Use this one. For our pressure washer, we have the Krenzler HD7. That's the amount of shampoo that we're using. We're going to fill it up halfway. Okay, now we're just going to pre-wet. As you can see, we still have some beading going on from our BSD couple of, I think 1 month back. So that's the protection that's there. We'll leave this to get wet. I'm so sorry you can't see it clearly. It's too bright, but it is wet. On the other side, I'm going to go ahead and foam. Damn, guys, look at that. Yummy. Will it soften the dirt? Will it take it out? That is the question. Okay, it now has been a couple of minutes on this test panel. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a pressure washer. We'll be using a green tip for cleaning. And here is the amount of dirt that is left after hitting it with a pressure washer. Just leaving it to get wet using water. Alright, I'm going to move over to the other side. Okay, I'm focusing on the lower panel because that's the grubbiest area. Let's go ahead and rinse. Okay, you guys be the judge. This one's lighter, actually, than the other side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some snow foam on the other side, see if that makes a difference. Okay, this is the other side. Yeah, definitely darker. Here's the foam. Bruh, this isn't even 1:7, this is just 1:10. Foamy! We're gonna rinse this side now. Okay guys, after rinsing, here is the result. Well, you already see the difference, right? Haven't even touched the car yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-rinse the whole car, put a blanket of snow foam and do my contact wash. But I will leave you guys with some snow foam action. If you made it here, thank you for watching. Just want to update that the rinseability and the slipperiness of the shampoo is perfect. Till next video guys, thank you for watching.